Hello, I am Catarina Chen, your head of school at the American School of Belo Horizonte, otherwise known as EABH. With guidance from our school board and following our established crisis management protocol, I'm sending this video to the EABH community to reinforce our communication and to inform you of all the steps our school is taking during the viral outbreak of the coronavirus, otherwise known as COVID-19. I would like to start off by saying that I am not an authority on infectious diseases, but as the head of school, I am responsible for the well-being of our school community. That includes our students, our parents, our teachers, administrators, and parents. The health and safety of our community is our highest priority. What do we already know about the coronavirus? We are observing a global crisis that is also affecting us here in Brazil. COVID-19 is a fast-spreading virus that has arrived in Brazil. At this time, there are confirmed cases in Minas Gerais. Belo Horizonte does not have any official cases confirmed yet, and no cases have been reported at school. But this may all change soon. Even as you're watching this video, the situation may have evolved and more cases may be confirmed. So what is EABH doing? Well, we are a school that is deeply committed to putting our community members first. And our students' learning and well-being are at the center of all that we do. This philosophy guides us as we think about COVID-19 and the impact it has on our lives and our work. And in these unknown times and uncharted waters, we continue to operate with you in mind first, which is why I'm sharing the actions we're taking to help keep you and our school community healthy and safe. First, we're monitoring and utilizing the recommendations from the United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the World Health Organization, the Brazilian Ministry of Health, as well as other national and local public health authorities for decision making. Accordingly, we have created the EABH infectious disease protocol. This protocol includes the strength and frequency of cleaning and sanitation of our entire school grounds. We've also advised our students and staff to follow a safety protocol of regular hand washing. Our EABH crisis management team, EABH response team, the board and administration communicate daily to monitor official updates, share information in real time, and review and implement our infectious disease protocol. We're also asking our community members to prioritize their health. If a student arrives to school sick, we're sending them home to recover before returning to school. Starting today, our students will no longer be self-serving their meals, but they will be served by an extra staff member, actually a few extra staff members that have been hired to reinforce our safety protocols. We also have 2 full-time guidance counselors and nurse to care for your child's emotional and physical well-being. You can contact them with any concerns you may have. If you have any doubts about sending your child to school, please contact our nurse directly. We're here to serve you. You're also maybe wondering, when will schools close? The decision for school closure will depend on risk assessments made by the administration and school board in conjunction with recommendations by local health and education authorities. We are monitoring the recommendations. If we receive a mandate or an ordered decree to close the school, we will do so. Please note that this can happen at any time, so please be prepared for last-minute notifications regarding school closure and other event cancellations. Having said that, EABH will follow the governor's recommendation made yesterday, Sunday, March 15th, and close school from March 18th to the 22nd. Our plan is to reopen on March 23rd, the following Monday, unless otherwise mandated by the authorities. We request that you monitor our school communication daily. If you do not receive WhatsApp notifications or the Friday email from us, please contact the school today. And you're probably wondering, what about online learning? Well, we are committed to quality learning. If our campus is mandated for closure, learning will still continue. EABH is well prepared for crisis. This is evident in our fire drills and lockdown drills. Planning for safety and prevention is something that we do well and often. Our students already receive a technology integrated curriculum, so going 100% online will be a smooth transition for our students. We have been communicating with our parents about this possibility. Please check our last Friday email for more information on how you should equip at home and be prepared for this transition. Online learning is different from face-to-face learning. We ensure that our students' virtual learning experience is of quality. We will make appropriate adaptations to the approach, as we do not want our students spending too much time on the screen. We also want the virtual experience to be social, as we do every day at school with clear routines. Challenging times offer new opportunities. So let's make the most of this and become better 21st century learners. And so I would also like to take this opportunity to share with you what we expect from all of our EABH community members. So if your child is demonstrating flu or cold-like symptoms, he or she should stay at home, and please do not send them to school. If you have traveled to any of the countries with local transmission as listed by the Ministry of Health official, please follow the recommendations by the Ministry of Health and stay at home. For more specific details, refer to the EABH flowchart that's titled, "Can My Child Go to School Today?" This was also shared in our last Friday email. I'd also like to share with you that we do appreciate everyone's concern about COVID-19 and its impact on our lives. Your concerns are valid. However, as the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has counseled us, in his words, this is a time for prudence, not panic, science, not stigma, and facts, not fear. The virus will peak, we know this, and the global economy will recover. During this time, we must act together conscientiously, do what is right, and look out for each other. And we do remind you, please stay calm and wash your hands. I would like to conclude this message by reminding all of you that EABH is a strong international community that has been around for more than 60 years. Our values, specifically collaboration, will help us stay united. Collaboration will inspire us with courage to take risks and try new ways of doing things, as well as nurture perseverance to overcome new challenges with strength and motivation. In extraordinary times like these, that our community leaders, which is everyone, all of our EABH ambassadors, have the greatest opportunity to shape culture at EABH. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our faculty and staff and administrative team, as well as our board, for demonstrating grace and care for our school community. And thank you, EABH students and families, for supporting our work to ensure and uphold our school's mission, which is empowering compassionate agents for a better future. Thank you.